Catherine Bernardo, may madamdaming birthday message para sa kanyang Mami Min. They say you can't choose your family, but if I had the chance, I'd still choose you to be my mom. Over and over again. Our relationship may not be perfect, lots of fights and misunderstandings, but it's the imperfect moments that made us stronger. They made me love you even more. You're a big part of who I am today, Mama. You don't say it much, but we love you dearly. Your happiness will always be my happiness. Happy birthday. Love your bunso, the most kulit and stressful one. Saad at mensahe ni Catherine sa kanyang Mami Min. Bea Alonso, ipinasilip ang masayang bakasyon niya sa London. Ikinatuwa ni Bea Alonso, isang sikat na aktres sa Pilipinas, ang kanyang mga taga-suporta matapos silang ipakita sa kanila ang kanyang kamakailang paglalakbay sa London. Noong Biyernes, January 3, nag-Instagram si Bea para i-share ang ilang snaps ng kanyang masaya at grand time sa London kasama isa sa kanyang malapit na kaibigan. Bumisita si Bea sa ilang iconic na lugar sa paligid ng bayan at kumain ng maraming masasarap na pagkain sa London. Gusto lang bumisita rin ang kapuso actress sa isang art museum habang nasa London siya na kinukuha ang magandang artworks na nakadisplay. Chloe San Jose, ibinadira ang South Korea New Year's trip kasama si Carlos Yulo. Super happy na ibinandara ng social media personality na si Chloe San Jose ang kanyang South Korea New Year's trip kasama ang two-time Olympic gold medalist at jowang si Carlos Yulo. Stepping into 2025 hand in hand, heart to heart, here's to another year of love and endless adventures together. Happy New Year from us to you all, say ni Chloe.